Hey, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. Looking for a clean Honda Pilot? This might foot the bill. This is the 2017 Honda Pilot. Stock number is T20565A. Let's give you that virtual video walk-around up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Notice the rear automatic door. Showing you the interior. This does come equipped with heated door mirrors, heated front seats, heated rear seats, and a heated steering wheel. It's a nice, comfortable ride, I'll tell you what. Carfax clean history report, and get this, a Carfax One owner with just over 35,000 miles. Dual moonroof, as you can see. And this Pilot has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed for peace of mind driving. Ease of access to all the controls, as you can see right here up front. This Pilot will not last long, so for more information, call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business on this Pilot. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.